Hello, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can verify your cold email lead list super fast, how you can find also 20 to 30% more leads from your lead list by verifying the catch-all emails, and also how you can identify email service providers such as Google, Outlook and others, so you can double or even triple your reply rates. Now here you can see a list from Apollo, and Apollo is this data source, and here we have approximately 1000 rows. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of junk data here, data that we don't need. Also the first names, you know, there's a emoji here, or a smiley, emoji, also like all caps names. We also have like duplicates here. Then also we have these no email rows. So usually when you prepare your cold email lists, you need to clean up everything, which can take like dozens of minutes per list, even hours every single week if you run multiple campaigns. Now we can take this list and use this tool called CSVgo. And CSVgo is a great tool because it doesn't only like verify your list, it cleans up the data, verifies the list, then verifies the catch-alls so you can find more untapped leads, and then also identifies the email service providers so you can get high response rates. Now here you can see CSVgo. We can just add our list here, the messy one we just went over. Then wait a few seconds, AI will auto-analyze the columns, so it will actually keep the important columns such as name, email, and all sorts of columns, but they remove the junk data that you don't usually need. But of course you can keep that junk data if you want. Now, yes, here you can see that phone. Where do you want to map phone? Here we have like multiple phone columns. So what is the column you want to keep? So let's check. Let's check work phone, personal LinkedIn. So personal LinkedIn URL, personal location. So let's do country, and company location. Let's do country as well. Then you can just double check these. So first name to first name, last name to last name, email to email, and so forth. Everything looks just fine. And then we can confirm and process. But these are the default columns CSVgo will keep. And here you can see the unmapped columns, so the junk data, because this Apollo list has like a lot of data that you do not simply need. Also these kinds of columns, so usually you need to delete those. So here you can see those, and also you can go to the settings tab and keep these if you want. But anyways, confirm and process here. Then we have like 1000 rows, so this should take 2 minutes maybe. And yeah, we can check out after this is processed that what the results look like. Okay, here we are 37 seconds later. So it took only 30 seconds, which is extremely fast compared to other email verification tools. But anyways, you can see the analytics here. So the initial rows was 995 rows. Then after deduplication, we had 994 rows. 8 email rows or no email rows were present in the original sheet. Then 986 email rows in the list because this many no email rows. Then after verification process, 917 valid emails, and the deliverability rate is 93%, which is super high. And this is only possible because CSVgo validates the catch-all risky emails, because most other tools just like notify you that okay, these are risky emails, but don't actually verify those. So usually 20 to 30% of your lead list is wasted because of that. Here we can export the all the above emails and the 3 other options, and we can go and see what that looks like. So processed, we can import to the Google Sheet here. Let's do this one. Now here you can see the processed sheet, which is extremely neat and cleaned up when you compare to this. So usually you need to like manually delete these poor columns and clean up this data, but now it was done in 30 seconds. Also here you can see the email service providers. So Google leads, these emails here are all Google, others. And then here at the very bottom is the Outlook ones. So if you want to increase your reply rate, just do not send to these Outlook emails because you probably want to land. Also, here you can see the verification status. So valid. But as I was saying, most tools just notify the catch-all. So here you can see this verification process identified that, okay, these emails are the catch-all ones, meaning the risky emails. And that's why we have this another verification process in CSVgo that actually verifies these catch-all emails. And here you can see the data of those. So that many catch-all emails actually. And this is kind of like extra leads that you will have. But yeah, that's pretty much the verification process I use. Then I can take this list to Smart Lead instantly or whatever sequencer you are using. Just upload there, your names are clean, and your bounce rate will be less than 1%, which is quite nice. So I highly recommend that you check out csvgo.io. You can verify 100 leads for free, and this way keep your deliverability high and sign more clients.